Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today I heard there was a shooting near the AM PM on Tracy Boulevard and Clover here in Tracy. You could see there is a Jeep right there crashed through the cinder block walls of a garbage enclosure or garbage can enclosure. When I got there, there was a ton of cops. This is the aftermath of everything that was going on. So I'm not sure what led up to this point right here, but this is the aftermath of the report that came through. So shots fired, this Jeep was involved, seems to be, and we have the cops right there on scene doing their investigation, seeing what's going on. You can see all those little black dots behind the truck or on the ground. Those are all evidence markers. I'm gonna bring the drone around to the west so I get the sun behind me and you get a better view shortly. But this is the scene of the Jeep that was involved in the shooting here in Tracy on Tracy Boulevard and Clover. Today is August 4th. Around 3 p.m. is when this was going on. You can see AM PM, Wendy's, the Ecolodge with the Jeep right there in the center. Let's swing the drone over to the west and get you a better view so you can see what really happened or what the damage is to this Jeep. While I'm swinging the drone over to the west, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below if you have something to say about this video, please. And if you know somebody in the Tracy area or that would like to see this video, make sure you tag them, share this video with them, just so everybody know what's going on here in the city of Tracy. It is a pretty small community, so if one person knows about this, everybody's going to know about this pretty soon. And let's get the news out there pretty quick. This is a really safe community. I love it here, and I love raising my family here. We get little stuff like this going on, not so little, I guess you could say, but let's let everybody know what is going on. Let's be aware. If you see something weird going on out there, make sure you report it. There you can see all those evidence markers, all the yellow markers. You can see they're yellow from this point of view. On the other view, it was a shadow, so they look like a bunch of rocks or something. I wasn't sure if that was damage or something from that brick wall when the Jeep crashed through it. But you can see there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, maybe 14 evidence markers right there. A lot of damage to the Jeep in the window. I'm not sure if that happened prior to crashing through the cinder block wall, but of course, driving through it would cause a lot of damage. You can see all the cops down there doing their investigation, trying to figure out what's going on. From what I understand, there was 2 people detained at the situation. 1 person was taken to the hospital. I don't know if the people that were detained were a part of the shooting or what was going on. So there's a lot more to come out of this, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Tell everybody about Scotty's Hobbies, and I will see you on the next hopefully helpful video.